Hi guys, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to Fatafat series where we are discussing most important MCQs from IR and labor law component. So guys, this is going to be a part 4th and we have already discussed 3 parts. So those who have not gone through previous 3 parts, guys, you must watch these sessions because they are very important and we are covering top notch MCQs from the IR and labor law component which have a high probability of being asked in the examination, right? So these are very important MCQs. If you are serious aspirant, then you must refer these MCQs. So let's proceed without wasting much time. But guys, before starting, an important thing, if we talk about EO and AO results of 2021, so that year we had given 116 selections, and also guys, this year we are ready to repeat the history again, both for APFC as well as the EO and AO examination. So if you are also ready guys, then do let us know in the comment box and also participate in the session and follow these sessions, right? Let's proceed, friends. So friends, this is the homework question that I have given you when we were discussing part 3rd, right? So the question was, as per the Industrial Employment Standing Orders Act 1946, a copy of all standing orders as finally certified shall be filed by which of the following authority in a register? Your options are appellate authority, certifying authority, appropriate government, or employer. So what is the right answer of this question? The right answer is option number B, that is certifying officer. So I had told you at that time that whenever you are referring any legislation, it does not need that you must cover all the provisions. Rather, you have to apply the logic also. And this is the question where you can easily reach to the right answer by applying the logic, right? So if you have covered this particular legislation, then you can definitely answer this question without going through the provision itself, right? The right answer is option number B, that is certifying officer. So if I talk about register of standing orders, so a copy of all standing orders as finally certified under this act shall be filed by the certifying officer in a register in the prescribed form maintained for the purpose, and the certifying officer shall furnish a copy thereof to any person applying therefore on payment of the prescribed fee, right? So this was the homework question that I have given you in part 3rd. Now let's move to the part 4th. So question number first of this part is, which of the following discipline observed in the fear of punishment? Your options are positive, negative, self, or penal. So which of the following is correct? So the right answer is option number B, that is negative, right? So if you talk about negative discipline, so here you can see negative discipline is somewhat traditional in approach under which employees adhere to rules and regulations in fear of punishment. So this is about the negative discipline. It is also called enforced discipline. Guys, these kind of terms are very important and frequently asked in the UPSC examination, that which of the following is also known as enforced discipline, right? So you must know that negative discipline is also known as enforced discipline. So here you can read about the negative discipline and also the positive discipline. So we are providing some additional information here so that you can go through these important additional information, and this can be applied in any other question itself, right? Question number 2 is, which of the following refers to such violation of or non-conformity to formal or informal rules and regulations in an organization? Your options are misconduct, fraud, indiscipline, or disobedience. What is the right answer, friends? The right answer is option number C, that is indiscipline. So if I talk about indiscipline, so indiscipline refers to such violation of or non-conformity to formal or informal rules and regulations in an organization. So these are very important concepts from industrial relations, right? So here you can also read about the causes for indiscipline. Like for example, unfair practices by management, like irregularities in payment of wages, discrimination in wages, ineffective handling of grievances, etc. Further, policies and procedures of the organization, like non-compliance with the wage legislation and promotion and transfer policies, also absence of code of conduct, lack of effective leadership, etc. Right? So you can read about the causes of indiscipline. Right, guys? Now let's move to the question number 3rd. So question number 3rd is, which of the following means watchfulness and covers all kinds of deviations from standards of integrity as well as improper exercise of administrative discretion, nepotism, favoritism, and conduct unbecoming of a public servant? The right options, the options are safeguarding, verification, vigilance, or investigation. What is the right answer, guys? The right answer is option number C, that is vigilance. So vigilance means watchfulness and covers all kinds of deviations from standards of integrity as well as improper exercise of administrative discretion, nepotism, favoritism and conduct in unbecoming of a public servant. Right friends? Question number fourth. So question number fourth is very important question. What is the Latin term for the statement that both the parties should be heard before giving a decision? So this is a very important concept that you must know. Your options are audi alteram partem, nemo judex in causa sua, nemo debet esse judex, or actus reus emi. So these all are the Latin term which is used, which of the following, or which of these Latin term used for the concept that both the parties should be heard before giving a decision? The right answer is option number A, that is audi alteram partem, right? Option number A. So here you can read about them. Audi alteram partem means this means here the other side also. So in other words, this pertains to the rule of fair hearing or the rule that no one should be condemned unheard, right? Similarly, you can read about nemo judex in causa sua and also about the actus reus. These are very important principles, guys, that can be asked in the examination. Question number 5 is, which one of the following is an exception from the 5 functional types of unionism identified by Robert Hoxie? These all things you need to read in the IR component, right? So it is talking about an exception. So your options are business unionism, predatory unionism, revolutionary unionism, or evolutionary unionism. So which of the following is an exception which has not been given by the Robert Hoxie? So the right answer is option number D, that is evolutionary unionism. Here, so here you can read the types of unionism identified by Robert Hoxie, right? I have given you some additional information. Here you can see the types of unionism given by Robert Hoxie was business unionism, friendly or uplift unionism, revolutionary unionism, predatory unionism, and dependent unionism. But he had not given the evolutionary unionism. So that is why evolutionary unionism is an exception. Question number 6. Trade disputes under Trade Unions Act 1926 means. Your options are disputes connected with the employment or non-employment, disputes connected with the terms of employment, disputes connected with the conditions of labor, or all of the above. So what is the right answer, guys? The right answer is option number D, that is all of the above. So when you refer the definition of trade dispute under the Trade Unions Act 1926, so there you can read that as per the Trade Unions Act 1926, trade dispute means any dispute between employers and workmen, or between workmen and workmen, or between employers and employers, which is connected with the employment or non-employment, or the terms of employment, or the conditions of labor of any person. So these all are the part of the definition of trade dispute given under the Trade Union Act 1926, right? Question number 7. As per the Trade Unions Act 1926, minimum how many members are required to apply for the registration of a trade union? Again, very important concept from the Trade Union Act. Your options are 2 members, 3 members, 5 members, or 7 members. So the right answer is option number D, that is 7 members. So when you read the provision of Trade Unions Act, so there it is written that as per the Trade Unions Act 1926, mode of registration, any 7 or more members of a trade union may, by subscribing their names to the rules of the trade union and by otherwise complying with the provisions of this act with respect to registration, apply for registration of the trade union under this act. So minimum 7 members are required. Right, friends? Question number 8. So as per the Trade Unions Act 1926, the account books of a registered trade union and the list of members thereof shall be open to inspection for whom? Your options are office bearers, member of the trade union, general public, or A and B only. What is the right answer, guys? The right answer is option number D, that is A and B only. So it is open only for office bearer and member of the trade union. It does not open for general public, right? So you can read, as per the Trade Unions Act 1926, right to inspect books of trade union. So the account of books of a registered trade union and the list of members thereof shall be open to inspection by an office bearer or the member of the trade union at such times as may be provided in the rules of the trade union. Right? So guys, these kind of questions are framed from the important provisions, so that you need to understand. Question number 9 is, as per the Trade Unions Act 1926, what is the minimum age of a person who may become a member of a registered trade union? Again guys, age based question is very important. Age based provisions given under any act is very important if you talk about APFC as well as EO and AO examination. So your options are 18 years, 21 years, 15 years or 16 years. What is the right answer guys? The right answer is option number C, that is 15 years. So when you read the provision under the Trade Union Act 1926, so there you can read, as per the Trade Unions Act 1926, rights of minors to membership of a trade union. So any person who has attained the age of 15 years may be a member of a registered trade union subject to any rules of the trade union to the contrary, and may subject as aforesaid enjoy all the rights of a member and execute all instruments and give all acquittances necessary to be executed or given under the rules. Right? So these kind of questions are very important. These are very important provisions under the Act. Now let's move to the homework question. This is the homework question for today guys. That who of the following person shall be disqualified to be an office bearer according to the provisions of the Trade Unions Act 1926. So you have to tell who of the following shall be disqualified, right? So your options are: if he has not attained the age of 18 years, if he has not attained the age of 21 years, if he has not attained the age of 25 years, or if he has not attained the age of 30 years. So this is the homework question which you need to answer in the comment box. So you have to comment in the comment box and you have to let me know that which of the following is correct with respect to your homework question, right? So guys, you know very well, if you want to practice, if you want to watch videos with respect to these component, or if you want to solve a lot of MCQs, so we have launched different courses for the aspirants who are preparing for APFC as well as EO and AO examination. So these courses are Master Pack, the Test Series Plus course, and also Test Series course, right? So if you want to know about this course, you can refer to the link given in the description box below and you can avail this course. So guys, this is all for this session. We'll meet in next session. Till then, goodbye and happy learning, friends.